Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi 10. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. Firstly, enter Google Pay app. Tap Get Started. And now you want to reset the app because there was an update which changed the interface. Now it's a little bit clearer. So, from this home screen you can add a payment method or add different types of cards. Then you can go to settings. In payment methods you can manage all your payment methods. See full list of participating banks. And your full activity. Then we've got manual settings, where you can turn on or off email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay, purchase notifications, updates about your passes, and offers and tips. Also you can edit your account info. Then we've got contactless setup, where you can turn on NFC, set payment method, see if Google Pay is set as default, if you've got a screen lock or if your phone meets security requirements. Then we've got help and support, send feedback, and access to your Google account. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.